So I found a little fault, not a big one, but a little fault in this, the rear window lip for the 300ZX. Don't mind the dust and smudges. I've been handling it a lot, so it may look like it's a little dirty, but that's not the problem here. So the middle top here touches, but the edges don't line up. So I can, if I put it all the way to touch the edge up there, that's the kind of gap that I get. As you notice, it kind of, so to center it, I guess you have to put a bit of gap, a little bit of a gap on both sides. And I think I might use these lines here, the heated window lines, to get this as straight as possible. But, and then you also have, there's a gap here. Yeah, so it's definitely not perfect. It's close. Like, I guess you wouldn't want it to be too big, right? So I guess it's better that it's like this a little bit, rather than it being overlapping or too high on some ends. But that's what we're getting. This is from I can't remember the name. I'll tell you. It'll be in the description. But then you have this gap here at the top, and then let's look at the center. Center is touching the top, and then you go back over there, it starts gapping out again. Oh, not as much. What if I even it out? See, I'm gonna need two people to put this on to make sure that the gaps are the same on each side. It's not much, but yeah, definitely gonna have to get somebody else to help me with this to minimize and equal out all the gaps. Let's check the other side. I also ordered the that 3M prep stuff, glass prep or whatever. What's it called here? 3M primer, 9.4 pen 3-pack. So you're supposed to use this in conjunction with cleaning the window using alcohol swabs, and have the sticky stuff that they've already put on the bottom. But I haven't touched it, and you can see the gap over here. So I don't know.